I'm doing an oil change on a 2024 Subaru WRX. Not go to oil changers, bro. Ain't even the right filter. God damn. God damn. Grab your 17mm socket. Crack that thing off. Grab your 17mm with a torque wrench. Torque this thing down to 33 foot-pounds. Hand here. A little bit of oil. Go around it, just like so. Clean this up a little bit. Make sure it's nice and tight. This shit right here. 4.8 quarts. 4.9 quarts. Cap back on there, nice and tight. Now we start it up and check oil levels. Clear to start. Woo.